Hey guys, this is John. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to create a bill inside your QuickBooks Online account. This is the most easiest but the most important step to keep your books clean. So let's jump right in. Right, so I'm here in my QuickBooks Online account. This is the beta view. So this is the new view of QuickBooks Online. So to create a bill, guys, you just have, there are a lot of ways, by the way. There are a lot of ways to create a bill, pay a bill, invoices, receive payments in QuickBooks. So I'm going to show you the different, ways and how to do it. But now I'm going to show you to create a bill or the common way to create a bill. So go on the create new icon on the upper left corner. And then under vendors tab, you see here bill. And once you are in the bill, you have an option here in the upper left to select the vendor. I'm going to select call telephone here. And we do have two details here, two options. We have category details. We also have item details, right? So now I'm just going to use category details. So I'm going to change the amount to $100. So when I click here in a blank space, you notice it will change this amount. Right, there you go. So aside from that, we also have, we have mailing address, terms, bill date, due date, bill number. We also have here on the bottom part, we have memo, and we also have here attachments. So for the attachments, guys, it doesn't matter how many attachment. It's just, don't go beyond 20 MB total, right? We also have here in the columns, we have category, descriptions, amount, we have billable, tax, we also have customer, and on the item detail, side, we have product and service, description, quantity, rate, amount, billable, tax, customer, right? So it's just the same thing. We also have the option here to print. We have an option here to make it recurring bill. So it's very simple and it's very convenient for, bookkeepers, business owners, accountants, CPAs, you name it. We also have here tags. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And we also have here, by the way, to copy. So basically what it does is actually there are some times that you wanted to copy this bill, but you have the same bill, but you don't want to fill up, again and again. So what you just have to do is save this one and then copy. So it will make a copy of this bill, this exact bill. And then if you have like changes for the amount, just, do it and then save, right? So now, since we all have the information that we needed, we're just gonna have to save and close it. All right, the bill now, guys, is totally saved, and now I'm gonna show you where to locate that one first. So there are a lot of ways to locate the bill. Again, it's the same thing when creating a bill. There are a lot of ways. So to locate the bill, we can see here expenses tab on the left panel. You know, we also have here expenses and pay bills on the upper, options or what we call this one. But anyways, these are the same, guys. You see, these are the same. So I prefer this one here on the upper part. So we can go to the expenses transaction. And when we go here, as we can see, this is the bill that we just created. You see, dated today and then $100. So that's pretty much it, guys. We have an option to view and edit this one just to make sure this is the correct bill. Yep, this is the correct bill. So we also have, just hold on. We also have here mark as paid, copy, create task, delete. We have an option to, to recategorize this bill. And to create another bill, guys, there is an option also here on the upper right corner. New transactions, click the drop down and bill. All right. Not just bill, we have time activity, expense, check, purchase order, vendor credit, credit card credit, some other stuff. So to create a bill, let me click the bill. Just the same thing, guys, as you've noticed, just the same thing when going on the create new here on the upper left. And there is also another way. You just have to, since we are on the expense transactions tab, we can go to bills tab. But in here, we need to select let me unfilter this one. We need to go or select the exact, um, you know, exact vendor. So let me go here and pay, can go here. We will be redirected to vendors. So this is the bill that we created a while ago. So yeah, we can view and edit this one just to make sure this is the correct bill. Yep, this is the one. And you just say, I mean, just the same thing. We have an option, a lot of options here. We also have a lot of option to create new transaction in relate to expenses. We can edit and we go back to bills, guys. As we've noticed, we can see here the exact bill that we created. You see, due today. We have an option also, just the same thing. So yeah, that's it. And super fast once you know where to click. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you on the next video.